Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see the best game booster settings for the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here in the search bar just search Game Booster. Now just tap on Game Booster settings. Now from here, these are the settings for the Game Booster. Now from here, if you tap on Game Optimization, you will have a few options for the game optimization. For example, if you select Performance, it will prioritize game performance over battery life. And if you select Battery Saver, it will save the battery while you're gaming. And if you select Balanced, it will balance the performance with the battery saver. Now, if you tap on customizations for individual games, you can customize the settings for each game. For an example, in this game, you can select the amount of FPS you want to show. And also, you can increase or decrease the screen resolution as you like. And if you tap on game optimization, you can select the game optimization option which you like. Just like that. And if you tap on save, you will save these settings. Just like that. Now if you go back, now from here if you scroll down, you will get the option of quick action button. Now from here if you tap on quick action button, you can select what should the action button do while you're gaming. You can set the quick action button to enable touch protection, or you can set it to lock the navigation buttons. You can set it to take a screenshot or to start screen recording. For an example, if you select take a screenshot, the quick action button will be mapped to take a screenshot when you use it. And if you tap on where to access in-game panel, you will have the option to select where to access the in-game panel. Now currently it is set on navigation bar, but also you can set it to show as a shortcut bar. Now if you scroll down, you will have the option of screenshot resolution, and also you will have the option for the format of your screenshots. Now as you can see, it is currently on JPEG, but also you can select the HEIF format. Just like that. And these were the best game booster settings for the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.